Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You have the file open and a column of mobile numbers. Start by selecting that column now. Scan a few cells to see patterns: leading spaces, trailing spaces, embedded spaces, or punctuation. Once done, make a quick backup or plan to work in a new column so you can compare before replacing. You will use formulas and a final value paste. Preparing the column and confirming patterns saves time and prevents overwriting valid data. Now you'll apply formulas to remove spaces and non-printable characters. In a helper column, enter equals substitute trim A2. To strip leading, trailing, and internal spaces, trim first normalizes outer spaces, then substitute removes inner spaces. If characters persist, wrap clean to strip non-printables. Equals clean, substitute trim A2. And if you need the result as a number, use value around the expression. Drag or double-click the fill. To finish, select the cleaned helper column, copy, then paste special values onto the original column so formulas are replaced with fixed numbers. Make sure to set cell format. Text if numbers have leading zeros, number if you want numeric type. If you still see odd gaps, it may be non-breaking spaces. Use equals substitute, A2 char 160, or nest that into your formula and repeat paste values. If you accidentally overwrite data, revert using the backup or undo immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.